Yeah, I'll take it out. Oh.
I just hold on to it.
Yeah, exactly. You're fine.
Now, please stay in your seat till you're given the okay from our ground crew. Then lift up the lap bar and step on out.
Yeah, it's definitely a safe way of filming a coaster. You don't have to worry about dropping your phone.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Made for that, huh? That's pretty cool.
Yeah, made for coasters and skiing, of course.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's a GoPro set.
Perfect, cool.
There you go. Oh,